Hey guys, it's time to meal prep. If you don't do it, we're gonna plan to fail. So, I've got all my veggies and fruits out. I'm gonna wash them up, cut them up, and put them back in the fridge. So, I'm also gonna do, in my Instapot, I'm gonna hard boil eggs. So I can just grab a couple of hard boiled eggs if I'm running late in the morning or I need a snack or whatever. I'm feeling hungry or puny. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that Instapot going. I already rinsed some potatoes over here. I've got some sweet potatoes over there. You know, just whatever you have in the kitchen, you gotta clean it, you gotta have it prepped and ready to go. Otherwise, guess what? You're gonna grab something easy and not healthy, like Cheetos. I'm just saying, you gotta be prepared. Anyway, that's what I'm doing this morning. It's my pre-church warm-up, if you will. So, Instapot ready. And yes, before you ask, I do like my Instapot. Let's pressure cook. Okay, it's ready to go. Now we're gonna take some sweet peppers. I've got carrots somewhere I'm gonna cut out Brussels sprouts. So pretty much anything. I'm not gonna cut out apples just because they go brown. I mean, you can put lemon juice on them and it keeps them a little bit, but it's just never the same. So I cut apples on the day of. I go ahead and wash them so they're ready to go, but I don't cut them up yet. So I've also got some already hard-boiled eggs that were from last week. I'm gonna turn into deviled eggs, but instead of mayonnaise, I use Greek yogurt or avocado. And then I do mustard and have like sweet pickles in them. You know, I'll probably think it's totally gross, but it's my jam. So I'll have that later today, like with Sunday lunch or something. Just to kind of keep the fridge clean and all the yucky stuff out. So I'm sure there are better ways to clean your veggies than in your spaghetti colander, but you know, this is the way I roll because it's all about fast and easy for anything. So anyway, I'm gonna cut these up. I'm gonna clean all these veggies. I'm gonna clean my kale, which is looking a little peaked. It was from last week. My romaine. I've got celery. I've got some other things that I just added to my list that I need to get from Kroger. I'm gonna make some fresh pico so you can throw that on potatoes or salads or whatever during the week, so it's all not from a bottle because the bottle a lot of times has a lot of sugar, so it depends on what brand you buy. But look at the ingredients, make sure it's just very few ingredients and very little added sugar. So those are things we're gonna do. I'm gonna cut up some ham to put in eggs during the week just because it's easy. I've got mushrooms chopped up already and washed. So this is kind of what I do on Sunday. Like I get ready, I meal prep. I'm gonna cut up Brussels sprouts. So all I have to do is throw them in the pot, like or roast them or whatever I'm gonna do during the week. Because on weeknights I'm super busy because I work all day. I take Kenny to rock climbing Monday and Wednesdays from 5 to 7. So I kind of do crock pot meals on those nights. But anything you can do to prep ahead of time is gonna save you valuable time. You're gonna lose valuable pounds because you don't want to be carrying all that weight around anyway, and you're just going to be set up for success. So anyway, get to prepping.